You searched how to buy shares of Lakeland Industries Inc., so here's a clear step-by-step guide. Lakeland Industries makes protective and industrial garments and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker LAKE. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker LAKE to find the company listing. Select the result that specifically shows Lakeland Industries Inc. on NASDAQ. On the Lakeland Industries stock page, review the brief company description and the price chart to confirm this is the correct listing. Make sure the exchange reads NASDAQ and the ticker shows LAKE. To invest, click Trade or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, and double-check the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued as a market order later. And if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before the trade completes. The position will appear in your portfolio as an open or pending holding under LAKE. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow these steps on the same platform.